Okay, so this project originally came about as a learning project. I was learning React, I was mentoring people in React, and I wanted to show to myself and others how you could get out of tutorial hell by building a big React project. And although this isn't the biggest React project that's out there by a long shot, this is a pretty big project, especially for me, someone who has doesn't have that much React experience. So I really wanted to build something that would push me, that would challenge me, and would help me get out of tutorial hell. Because I was taking Brad Travesty's Udemy course, and I was just typing in his stuff, but I really wasn't learning it as much until I started really applying it. And this really showed me that I could build something like this. And although this might not be the best project, I don't know if this project would get you a React developer job, but it just really showed me that I could build full scale React applications. I just wanted to build something that would show me that. And then as I started building it and started messing with it, and I just fell in love with it. I fell in love with the idea that I could just click and drag and color LEDs, and that I could make just make really cool stuff with this without or enable other people to make really cool stuff without having them write lines of code. Like if you look at the code that this is generating, like you can see what it is. And I mean, just imagine, especially if you're a coder or if you're not a coder, you're looking at this and you're like, what is going on here? Like, you can kind of make some of this stuff out. Like, it's using FastLED, but what's the dot? What's the weird bracket? What's all this stuff? And it's confusing. It's confusing to a lot of people. And I wanted to build something, especially as I got further along in the project, that would allow people without any coding experience to create really cool LED projects. Like, you shouldn't have to know C code to make something really cool with RGB LEDs. And I also realized that I just realized that was possible. And what's really cool about this, in my mind, is that we're just scratching the surface of what Fast LED can do. I mean, it's such an amazing library. You can do fades, all sorts of stuff, and we don't even have this in here. We just have a simple coloring thing where you can color LEDs and select them and all that stuff, which is great, but we're just scratching the surface of what it can do. And it's really exciting, like we can really make some amazing stuff, and we're just scratching the surface of what patterns can do. We only have 4 patterns right now: left, right, bounce left, and bounce right. And I'm going to go over all this stuff in other videos, but we're just scratching the surface. And it's amazing. It's amazing what these sorts of things can do and how they empower people to create art. So really, that was my goal, was to empower people, hopefully like yourself, to create just amazing pieces of art with LEDs without you having to know what C code is, or know that much about the Arduino or anything like that. I just wanted to empower you to create amazing things. So yeah, I really want your feedback. I really want to build the next version of this, the next features, but I'm going to need your help. What features do you want? What's going to make allow you to make the next great piece of LED art? What are you looking for? Are you looking for grids? How many LEDs do you want to animate? Right now, I only have 250, but I think I can get more. And what's going to make this easier for you to use? So yeah, let me know. I'm really looking forward to your feedback. I'm really excited about this project, and I can't wait to meet some of you and interact with some of you. I hope to get on a Zoom call or a hangout with some of you. And this is completely open source. It's completely free, and let's make something great together. So that's the origin story. That's why this was created originally. And like I said, I just fell in love with this. I fell in love with the process, and fell in love with the idea of helping you create like amazing pieces of art. So let's do this together. Anyway, I'll catch you soon, and looking forward to meeting some of you.